A pressing issue that is affecting our society today is the declining state of our environment. The majority of our society affects their direct contribution to the neglect of our environment. Plastic is a major component of pollution and is a man-made design that has left our planet with a huge waste disposal problem. Plastic is non-biodegradable, so in turn is harming our environment by killing our sea life, contaminating our drinking water, and our soil. Pollution is a severe problem that will continue to worsen if we do not intervene and limit the use of our plastic. Our environment is undergoing catastrophic events that will affect everyone in the near future. Plastic effects on our oceans is a large factor playing into the decline of our environment and a huge reason we should limit our plastic use. According to oceanunite.org, a key issue is marine plastic pollution, and they state, "We are turning our beautiful ocean into a plastic soup." About 8 million tons of plastic enters the sea every year, and at this rate we face a future with more plastic in the ocean than fish by 2050. Plastic does not biodegrade, but breaks down into smaller pieces that are toxic to sea life. So even if larger animals don't digest or get entangled in these plastic, smaller marine life can easily ingest these toxic plastics, and then they enter the food chain. Plastic in the oceans are killing precious and endangered sea life, and are crucial to the oceans and ultimately our survival. Oceanunite.org also suggests we need to take personal responsibility in limiting our plastic use. For example, we can carry a reusable water bottle or coffee cup, bringing our own cloth bag or other reusable bags when shopping, buy secondhand products, dramatically cut down our single-use plastics, such as food contained in plastic packaging or plastic straws in our carry-out cups, and make sure we recycle. So here shows the years of common plastics found in the ocean, how long they take to biodegrade. So for example, a styrofoam cup will take 50 years to biodegrade, and a plastic bottle takes 450 years, and a fishing line will take 600 years total to biodegrade, and those are common plastics found in the ocean. If saving our oceans and all the creatures that call it their home is not enough to cut down on plastics, plastic pollution is also affecting our drinking water and our soil. Microplastics are tiny plastic particles produced intentionally for products and unintentionally when larger plastics are broken down by environmental factors. According to Earth Day Network at earthday.org, in the article, "The Invisible Plastic Particles in Our Drinking Water," recent studies into water contamination has found microplastics in 83% of tap water samples from around the world and 93% from the world's top 11 water bottle brands. Plastic pollution is finding its way into our drinking water and is a huge sign to cut down on our plastic pollution before it becomes a life or death issue of clean water. Furthermore, the plastic that does not end up in our oceans or drinking water is in landfills. This creates buildup and runoff into the soil. According to unenvironment.org, in the article "Plastic Planet: How Tiny Particles Are Affecting Our Soil," a study estimates that 1/3 of all plastic waste ends up in soils or fresh water. Additionally, when plastic particles break down, they gain new physical and chemical properties, increasing the risk that they will have toxic effects on organisms. There are many detrimental effects of plastic pollution, and each one of them should be a reason to rethink your everyday routines and develop new habits of cutting down plastic. Some people argue that plastic is not as big of a problem as people say that it is. They argue that it is essential to our society and quality of life. This is a valid claim because according to oceanunite.org, plastic wraps our food, our houses, and technology. It is a remarkable substance that has contributed to advances in healthcare and has helped millions stay out of poverty. Our planet and society has progressed in many years due to plastic. However, it is time to find an alternative to this non-biodegradable, human-made design. If plastic pollution has caused this many negative effects, the future of our beautiful planet is bleak. It is time for each and every one of us to take responsibility and limit the use of plastic. Overall, plastic is harming our environment by killing our sea life, contaminating our drinking water, and our soil. Imagine no clean drinking water. Imagine no animals left in the sea. Imagine minimal forests and plant life. Imagine beautiful coral reefs and soaring birds no longer in existence. That is our future if we continue to let plastic ruin our environment. This is our only planet. It is beautiful and unique, and the only reason mankind is surviving. We must take action and change our fate before it is too late. There is no backup plan, and there is no other planet to run to once ours is dead. We must make change now. Thank you.